Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you a solution of a problem. The requirement is this: from this employee table we need to find the list of employee having same name and address. So our requirement is that we need to find out the list of employee having same name and same address. You can see the Gopal is having address Chennai, and another Gopal you can see having Chennai, okay, and Gopinath you can see is having Chennai, and here Gopinath is from Chennai, okay. So I need to find out how many employee are there having same name and same address. So to check this we need to select the count. Let me count first name, from employee. I need to group by name, okay. I need to find out how many the list of name are there. So let me find out. The Gopal is the two Gopal is there, Rupa is one, you can see Gopinath is only one, okay. So let me check how many same address is there. Group by address, okay. You can see Chennai is having 5 times, Delhi 4 times, and Noida 2 times. So I have to find out the list of the employee having same name and same address, okay. So let me do one thing. You can see when I did count from the name, you can see the 2 names is there, Gopal and Gopinath, and addresses you can see Chennai having 5 times, Delhi 4 times, and Noida 2 times. So let me do one thing. Let me select name and address, okay. Let me count both of them from table. Employee, I'm going to group by name and address. Let me check. Employee group by, okay, the spelling is wrong. You can see the Gopal is having count 2 and Gopinath is having 2, okay. So I need to find out from address. I need to give some condition. The condition will be having count star greater than 1, okay. You can see the Gopal having 2 times and Gopinath having 2 times with the same address, okay. So this is the final query. You need to select name and address. You have to use the count from employee. You have to group by name and address having the count greater than 1, okay. So this is how you can find out the list of name and employee having same name and same address, okay. Guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.